Do you all have extra wood? I mean, not literally, I mean scrap wood here. We have a lot of scrap wood left over here in the shop, and it's raining outside. You can hear a few of the big raindrops hitting the metal roofs. It's a good day to be in the shop. It's the weekend. We're not working. We get to enjoy a little bit. It's kind of comforting in the wood shop for me. This is just hobbies that I do all the time, this woodworking and videos and things. It's just a hobby for me. But I love each and every one of you, so I'm glad you're here. And we're going to take some of the scrap lumber. We're going to make something really cool that I do every few years for some of the people at work, at my job, and some family members sometimes. Just all depends on what kind of gift we're given and things like that. But these are pretty much free, other than the time it takes to make it. And we're going to take these little items here. They're all different sizes. We're going to take them, put them down to one size, all these little sticks, and sand these down a little bit and come up with a nice little Christmas present. So stay tuned. Let's get the planer out real quick and let's see what we can make. Hey, if you haven't liked and subscribed to the channel, do that. It goes a long way. And let's build something cool. Alright, so we got a whole bunch of pieces cut out here, right here. We got some that look like this, and we've got some that look like this, as you can see, little tiny pieces. I'll get you in here for a close-up real quick, but we've got 25 sets along with our little tiny sticks here. So now comes the worst part, probably, is sanding each little piece down to get all the little fines off of them. But if I haven't told you, this is walnut, the dark ones, and this is butternut, a different kind of a blonde wood, but it's hardwood. Very pretty. So let's get sanding them down. We made 25 of these back scratchers. They're all drying right now, but this is one that's finished, it's dry. You can see it's kind of like a big old bear claw. Nice. And it's all scrap wood, guys. So these are wonderful presents that you can really pretty good. Now, they're not made to beat people with or nothing like that. They're made to reach back there, scratch your back, things like that. They're pretty tough. So anyway, I made them out of some walnut scrap and some butternut scrap up here. That's why it's two different colors. And then the teeth are made out of walnut, just because walnut's a little harder. So thanks for watching, guys. Like and subscribe to the channel. Check these big things out. They're awesome. Build you some.